Let's learn how to change the color and the size of stats. I will be changing the HUD stats, but you can follow the same process for the pop-ups. Open the HUD Editor, select the HUD you want to change, and let's say we want to modify this block, this one here. Let's say we decide that it's too big and we want to make it smaller. Let's start with the red stats. Select the color, let's choose red again, and select the size right here. Let's set the size to 11. We can see that it became smaller than it used to be. Click the second stat and choose Custom here. This Custom button already contains the selected size and color. Repeat the process for the third and the fourth stat. You can also bulk set the values by selecting all of the stats we want to change and pressing Custom for all of them. You can also copy the style. Right-click the stat, copy style, right-click a different stat where you want to paste, and click Paste Style. You see the style has changed. Let's cancel for now. And align central. Now let's move to the green stats. Leave the 11th font and choose the color. This one has to be light green. Let's find a light greenish color. And this one has to be dark green. Let's save and see. This is how it used to be. And now we have reduced the font size a little. You can also make the HUD block itself more compact to get rid of the spaces of the margins between the stats. You can just pull the box from all sides, just a bit for now, save and have another look. And the HUD became even smaller. This was a simple option of changing the size and color. Let's now move to a more complex one. For that, let's create a new HUD block. And we'll be using templates to customize the HUD. Let's say we want the first two stats to be yellow, and we want the right-hand side to be red. First, let's find the yellow color here. And let's set the font size to 20. Now we have to like this style, to add it to favorites. Let's give it the name 20, so that we can find it easily. Next, we'll create a template for the red color. Let's say we want the font size to be 30. Now select the first two stats and apply the template 20. Select the second pair of stats and apply the red template. Now let's say in the future we want to change all of the red stats and make them smaller or change the color. There will be no need to modify each stat separately. It's convenient when we have a large HUD or a complex pop-up. We can just change the template and all of the stats will be changed then. For that, we'll open Templates, right-click a template, and modify it. We can make it bold, underlined, or change the font and color. And when we modify the template, you can see that both stats instantly change. Here you can also change the font size, but leave the color as it was. Thank you for your attention. I wish you all the best. Please like the video and subscribe.